Okay, looky, what I just found. One, two, three. Some on the other side, but I'm like this in a tree right now, so I can't get the other stuff. It's too high. Nice and fine there. I'm actually not going to take her. She's close. She's in. I'm out scouting my walks that I'm going to do this year, my nature walks. So I'm leaving these sweet little king of the mushrooms on the tree. So when I take people foraging this summer, the end of June, 1st of July, I'm going to show them what chaga looks like. Nice little piece. Birch tree looks like it is in distress. This one's still alive though, but it's in a lot of distress. Never take chaga off a dead tree. This chaga should come off. I'll wait. I'll take it off next winter. I won't take it off right now because the tree's not dormant anymore. It's not frozen. So people can harvest chaga in the summer. It's high in melatonin. In the winter, it's high in melatonin and melanin. So that's why it's best to take it in the winter. Look at this beautiful little paradise. So this is one of the things I'm going to show people on my nature walk this year. Chaga!